So I edited that video.
Send a message on the group.
I did.
Did you actually break it?
What do you do?
I feel like pickpocket.
Hey!
Where?
Yes.
Podcast or Utori?
Yeah.
For how many people?
There's 40 people estimated.
She isn't Teta anymore.
Ups.
Curtis!
Okay,
That's
what
why I
do you
asked him
feel
to
better,
stay.
outside or Utori?
Curtis, can you come here?
Outside.
Okay. See, we have 40 people for night school.
Huh?
40 people in total for night school, including the team and everything. So we're thinking whether to do it in podcast room or in
You
YouTube.
can't do it in podcast.
We can't, right?
Podcast.
फटका पड़ेगा सबको अभी.
Okay, so Utori. You'll have to do the arrangements.
40 people here, I don't think so. I mean, Azan told us, right?
Hemant had a meeting.
The most
where
epic
Hemant
question.
was like, we won't be able to record. Hemant is a night school recorder and
Yeah, it's 2 buildings down.
so Azan was like, Utori is also
You've seen
for us, so we can do it there also. But he
Two
said from
buildings
next time.
down.
But this time also
But
we have
did
40 people.
It's upstairs and 2 buildings here.
Yeah.
Bro, this
Utori is comfortable there. That's
six.
But again,
Upstairs
40
on the
feels a bit
first
less,
floor.
you know?
so Utori.
For you,
Yeah, that's why
it's a
Stripe
very
and
big last
Utori
time it felt like-
happened
Thanks,
so
I got
like
new shoes.
at the here only. Oh, they came after
Okay,
the
Kirtana,
workshop.
he's saying that Utori will be empty. So like, do I open registration and get more people?
Brother. No.
No?
The reason why we reduced the number of people was because Azan said there won't be enough concentration and it gets divided.
Diluted.
Which is already happening. so we
I
can't
personally
confuse.
think we should do it there.
Yeah.
Same.
I'll tell
But
you.
but do it better because this place also is
Can I tell
very
you?
cramped.
Can I tell you
Yeah.
a better idea?
Mm.
We can do it in the red room.
Too small.
It's
Bro,
too
remove the
small.
table from there.
Still too
It's
small.
smaller than.
End of the day, ultimately Azan's going to take the call no matter what we discuss.
So this question
Send a
for now.
message on the group.
I did.
Then
He
wait.
hasn't replied yet. So
wait.
ठीक है.
Say
Okay.
group again.
Group.
No, say it like you said it.
I don't know.
Okay, then
Just to
one
keep
more question
options open.
for you. How are we?
For you?
Okay.
Just to keep some options open, I think we can do it outside as well. It can be better organized, like she said, and
Bro,
even
just
that
put it
is-
on
there.
yeah.
Big
Okay,
no.
guys, let's not go to where because we can't decide.
Yeah.
Leave it. No,
But
what?
give-
Let's
What,
wait for
what?
Azan to reply.
Yeah. Go
Okay.
for what?
Okay.
You
What
guys
is
decide
also
and
he's
we
gonna
do it.
decide. So I need to talk to him.
You
You said you
Get back to my work.
Yeah. Okay. So Satsas is coming online, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna be connecting him here.
Wherever you guys want.
I don't have
Of course we'll be
the
connecting
Zora
here.
thing.
TV will get a
Sure.
I'm just
match.
asking
I
you.
don't have the
You'll
Zora
have to set that up.
I don't have the Zora record.
We'll be doing it on Google Meet mostly.
Done.
Yes, right? Is there any other way to do it?
Your wish, you tell us.
Okay, Google Meet.
You
Done.
decide, you tell us what you
We'll
want.
do it on Google Meet.
Yeah.
We'll make the link, share it with him. You guys
I
decide
just
all the
wanna go through
technicalities.
your
There should be no
pointers
issues with that.
Done.
Okay.
You just let us know where do you guys want to do. Utori or here.
Yeah, that is Azan. We're waiting for Azan to reply.
Thank you so much, Curtis, for your.
Thank you very much.
Meeting is adjourned. हो गया.
You know that you from there.
on YouTube.
I got 119.
In which you outro.
I have to share the screen.
And we got
The idea was like,
So I edited that video. I conceptualized that video. I got inputs from Harshita because her video wasn't that decent enough. So I thought of helping her out. And then I made the video really nice. We posted it, strategized on the title, description, and everything. And that video boomed. And it has around 17k views, and we got around 82 subscribers from a single YouTube reel. And then I tell this to all the people because I achieved something. Harshita is sitting beside me and she's like, it's because of her.
That video, you have no idea.
I'll go on third floor and I'll jump down.
Guys, first of all, I made that video on my phone, and I Kirtana is just looking at me from there. Okay. I strategized the whole thing with Kirtana's help, okay? And I told Ayush what to do, how to do it, right? That is why I was saying, okay, that's my piece. Of course, like he edited it, that's fine. But the credit should be divided between the two people who did it, right? So I think I should get half of the credit.
I think 2 sides to the story. Every story has 2 sides.
The original, the meaning is that actually it's Kirtana's idea.
Yes. I am both the sides of the story. No, I think Harshita was right. She ideated. She did ideate the video. based on a brief that she was given. Although the video was not that good, and I was on her tail about it the whole time. But no, she did ideate, and then I actually don't know the interaction that she had with Ayush. But like, the thing is that the piece went out, and it's a banger piece, and it got us 83 subscribers, and it was collective effort, guys.
What is that?
Okay, so some of us already know we have a program called ORM.
What is
What's that?
5K every month.
We don't know what
I
Your
joined.
t-shirt is like a slide.
Yeah. Match day.
Guys, lock in, lock in.
Yeah.
Here's the attention.
Okay, shut up. So we have ORM. Basically, it's online reach management.
It's on the slide.
Yeah. Read or what? Okay. It's online relationship management, and now we are changing it up a little bit, and it's called Attention as a Service. But we are going to still call it ORM. But this is the motto behind it, and we're going to be changing a few things here and there. Earlier, it was like you get an account, you have to comment on 10 posts, and if you're consistent, you get 5K. But with the way we are moving towards our new build and everything, we want to integrate this into our build. Otherwise, this program will be discontinued. So rather than it getting discontinued, we rather have it continued, which is integrated with our build. So we have a new strategy that we have worked up for the same. So you'll be given one account, which will be your mini build. Okay, we have 10 accounts that are hub accounts, in-house hub accounts. We will have, you will be getting one account, which will be your mini build. And that's like, you have the full creative freedom to plan and do anything and everything you want.
Like total ownership.
Yeah, total ownership.
strategy.
Yes.
Okay.
But it should align with the build, that's all. What do you have to do when it comes to like exactly we have to track and everything, right? So what do you have to do? So you have to like, share, comment, repost, save, all of that. And these should be executed within 1 hour of posting. And the main top three priorities for this is AFS, FO, and THB. Yeah, these are the three main priorities. We have a fourth priority that will differ every week. That's the weekly winner. So every week we'll have a weekly winner. Whoever is the weekly winner, their personal account gets that engagement along with their ORM account. As an update, every Friday you have to drop an update of like how many accounts you engaged with, etc., etc. And since you're handling and managing that entire account, you have to post 4 posts or reels per month. It can be anything. We have a lot of content that Studio Cove shoots, and it's there on the drive link. You can repurpose that account, add something which makes it as per your account. Suppose it's dopamine. So you can make it a meme and post it. Just clip it a little and post it, right? So it can be anything, posts or reels per month, but minimum 1 per week. Along with that, you have to do 6 outbound DMs per week for each account. So we are focusing on partnerships, PR and everything. So based on that, you can reach out to any 6 people every month. LinkedIn is, you can either use any of the company accounts or you can use your personal accounts. Just 2 posts per month. It can be anything based on what you're handling, what you're building, everything. And this can align with the daily posting you have to do. And these are like some plus points. These will get you bonus points. You can post any raw stories, record anything, post it out there. So every day, what do you have to drop as updates?
Oh, another build log.
No. I think I've added all of you to the ORM group. If you're not added, I'll add you today. So in the ORM group, you have to drop screenshots of the ORM, like whatever you've commented, 10 screenshots of that. Along with that, your name, your assigned account, and what DMs you sent that day. Every Friday, you have to compile all like what did your comments drive. Now coming to the fun part, that is the prize money. So we have top 3 prizes for this. First one is 27K, 27.5K to buy any shoes. And second prize is 15K to buy a tech goodie. Third prize is 7.5K to shop. And there is like a alternate strategy that I'm also working on the price thing. Okay, so I will just briefly tell you all what the alternate strategy is. I'll need a day to confirm that. The alternate strategy is this. So the top 2 winners get 10K each. The next 2 get 7K each. And the third prize is that they get 5K each and they can shop and do anything with it. And along with that, there are weekly rewards for whoever gets a lead or anything. So it is an open-ended question. Which one works better? This one, this.
We can have 27k worth of food as well, right?
Yeah.
This one is better, right? It has more money.
Yeah, but
This
this
is
is people. This was the strategy that me and Azan worked on. This was his proposed prize money. That this is what we can go so that because we are doing more, so we should get more. But this is an alternate strategy that I worked out, and if everyone agrees with it, then we can go ahead with this one. So last 3 people who do not meet the basic requirements also, and the last 3 people, they have to donate these amounts to Giving Collab.
Sorry.
I'll explain to Curtis what is the
Hey, no, I don't trust you.
Anna, record this.
I don't trust you enough.
I'll tell you.
Recording.
I don't trust this guy enough.
I'm telling.
Yeah, please trust.
So, okay.
Firstly, you were not there in the meeting. Now let him explain it to
It's
you.
very basic. 5 winners.
Okay.
First winner 86,000.
6 winners.
Second winner 55,000.
Okay.
Third winner 35,000.
Okay.
Fourth winner, if he wins.
Or she, sexist.
Fourth winner, if she wins.
Women don't
In
come
case
last.
if she wins,
Yeah.
she'll have a prize pool of 20,000 plus 20k worth of shoes.
So I like to pull his leg. Curtis, okay. So I tried pranking him. I just wanted to see his reaction, bro. Like he gives some good reactions.
This is the thing. And rest everyone will get 10k each for participating in it. So it's around 3 lakh prize pool per hour.
Okay.
So you're gonna participate. Thanks.
I want to account.
Only one award shit, one account. Like, I'll make money.
See.
He used to complain that no ORMs. He used to refuse giving 5k as a ORM reward. So I thought this guy will react telling what the f***, 3 lakh and all, and then he didn't react. He instead took that.
First 2 get 10k each, the
10K,
second
10K.
2 get 7k each, and the third 2 get 2.5k each.
2.5k. And what we have to do on a daily basis, how many posts, how many stories?
I will explain him I will explain. Curtis,
Yeah, but
Curtis.
I think
Give me 5
he-
minutes. I will explain to the
You have
both
to
of
do
you
for
all.
free this month. Curtis.
I'll explain to the both of you all what the meeting was.
Way too happy inside, bro. I was way too happy. I was like 85k, super. I'll put all my efforts. I'm still motivated. I mean, I got to be the first, right? Got to come in first. And if I'm not coming in, then I don't want anyone else to.
This guy has not even logged into his Aura ORM account yet, okay?
Anything.
Okay, so can I comment on that? Okay, I have a funny story, okay? I won't name this person, but they came to me. They said what Swastik said, which is that Curtis was not very happy with ORM because he was shelling out 5k per month or 5k per week or something like that. And I've spoken to Azan about stopping the ORM program. And he's continuously questioned people on why we're spending so much money. Okay, for him to come and say this. Very nice.
Am I looking bald? You paused. Okay. This was the first time I was doing a presentation with the team, and honestly, I'm losing my hair. I was honestly very excited initially, but the meeting was like a lot of chaos. Everyone was like so chaotic. It's so irritating to handle it. But I think I did well because I'm great. And now I'm trying to get everyone to logged into the password. I don't know what outcomes I'll produce by end of day. And I am losing my hair, so I'm wearing a cap. And all the Instagram accounts are linked to some random mail IDs and I can't find it. And my HR also is new, so he also doesn't know anything. So I have to do his part and my part and everything. And I really cannot figure it out. And this is so annoying because I can't do anything else. I have to just run around and find out Instagram password, like how irritating that is. And I have to call up every ex-hub person and be like, hey, is your account linked? Hey, who are you? I need to know you because I think you have the Instagram account linked with your phone number. Because why the f*** would you link your personal phone number? But everyone did that, so now that's the thing. I've figured out only 3 passwords till now out of 13 accounts.
I've been here like almost a year now. This last month is like the most I've been in front of a camera ever. Ever! Immersive experiences helping builders launch ventures with design and brand mode. Products designed to help the masses achieve their desired outcomes 10x quicker. What do you do? Kinda cool though. This is like our residencies. So there are competitors. Experience over theory, community over isolation, serendipity over predictability. What? Growth over, okay, outcomes over. Bro, this is like us. I feel like they've copied. I'm telling you, ready to shed the employee mindset and adopt the builder mindset. Where have you heard this? Bruv. Hi, Bhumi.
Hey, hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Are you at the office?
Yes.
That looks like a cool space.
It is. I think Olive Hub is like this.
Oh, nice. So cool.
Yeah,
Feels like a creative space to be in, man.
it really is. Yeah. You guys should come
Nice.
visit sometime. Super excited to connect, right? And I was just going over your website and I like went through your LinkedIn briefly. So a lot of sync, right, between how you guys are like thinking. I still want to understand a little bit from you on what exactly it is you're building, but just seems like there's a lot of sync. So I'm just excited to see, you know, if there's any way we can like collaborate or like just get an understanding basically.
Oh, for sure, for sure. I think very similar. I was also going through your website. But what do you do at the hub?
Cool. So a little bit of history on the hub for you. So the hub 10 years ago started as a co-living space, one of the first in India, because we wanted to build out like a co-living community of different people that are coming to Bangalore. And then it slowly became a co-working space, and then we ventured into banquets and like events and things like that. Everything that is very community centric, right? I think that's always been in our DNA. And then we became a social media agency, or we also started a social media agency unit called Hubverse that ran for about 3 to 4 years. And we realized that maybe that's not what we want to be doing moving into the future. So we've completely put an end to the agency work as such that we do. And we've pivoted into kind of like at the intersection of learning, working, and connecting, like human connection. Because with AI, what we've been seeing is how people learn, especially like in universities, right? It's all like prehistoric, because what you learn in university, once you come out, you're not going to be able to apply that. Again, the same with working, because just like you guys say, right, a lot of people now need to start having a builder mindset as opposed to just being in a job. Even if you are, you know, in an organization that's not yours, you need to have like a builder mindset. And then again, human connection is because how social media essentially is now isolating people, right? More so than ever, especially with like people building in isolation and not knowing how to actually connect with each other. So again, that's where we want to come in and create like that community aspect of builders who can come in together and actually build something and utilize these connections better, so they're not so much in isolation and they can just grow and build together. It's taken us a while to sort of narrow down into all of this. We are fairly new in this whole thing that we're doing. But again, we're just experimenting, we're exploring, and we have a bunch of things that we're doing within each of these segments as it is right now.
We're also very strong on learning principles and how everything that exists is so archaic. None of it makes sense. It's so supply focused that, oh, we've built a curriculum, now we will force feed it to people, whether they're at universities or even for working professionals, right? All courses, everything that exists is just feels useless at this point of time, especially with how fast AI is evolving. And so we're also trying to sort of change that. For us, we're not really building content when it comes to learning. That's one approach we did not want to take, because at least right now there are already a lot of platforms that are doing it. What we realized that the lack is where all of that content comes together and personalizes to a learner. So our core product is called Flow.
Okay.
Basically an AI skilling platform.
Okay.
We're using AI to orchestrate and personalize learning for people. So let's say today you come up with anything under the sun that you want to, and you share your goals with it. It's like an agent, a coach, or whatever you want to call it, that talks to you, understands where you're at right now, where you want to go, what is it that you want to learn, and personalizes that journey for you based on how you learn better. And then gives you sort of that path to do it and brings in content that already exists across places.
Okay.
So that's what we're looking to do with the platform right now.
Awesome. So when you say content that exists, are you guys
working closely with, say, like a growth school, for example, right? Because, or how exactly does it work?
Right now, we're mostly open sourcing it.
Okay.
Whatever is available.
Okay.
But moving forward, we might want to build some proprietary content or partner with some folks.
Interesting. Okay. Cool. So 101 Collective is sort of like the parent company.
You can think of it like that. We're also figuring that. But like the parent company, and the product is called Flow. That's what we want to anchor on. That's the core thing that we're building. And alongside, we're also big on the community side of things, and that's the charter I lead for them.
Okay.
Yeah, it's still fairly new for us as well. I've been working with them for about a month.
Okay.
And we want to do a bunch of unique community experiences. So we hosted one recently, right, under which your founder had commented, and that's how we got in touch.
Yeah. Again, the whole isolation angle, right? Like you can sit behind a laptop and you can attend any event, but who are you actually connecting with, right? Because essentially you're just chatting with a bunch of people, or one says something and then another responds, and then it ends there. Cool. So honestly, just wanted to like get on a call and firstly understand what it is that you guys are doing. I would really like to invite you guys to the hub. Are you based in Bangalore? I'm so sorry.
Yeah, our office is in HSR.
Okay. So we are located in Safina Plaza. So we're in the basement of Safina Plaza. It's called the Hub. So yeah, would love to have you guys here, because I think maybe with like Flow, for example, right? Because like you said, you want to cater to builders that are looking for all of these resources but may not exactly know where to find them in, say, under like one roof, for example, so to say, right? And what we have here is like just builders, because everyone that either is a part of the team or is doing one of our programs, or anyone who steps into this space, essentially we want them to have like a builder mindset. And a lot of people that we speak to, and we speak to a lot of people, right? So a lot of them are at this stage lost because there's just so much information out there, but how much of it can actually be centralized and how much of it can actually be tailored to what they might need for whatever it is they're building, or just even trying to learn to just keep up. So maybe that might be like an interesting.
Yeah, for sure.
Like a lot of people depending on AI to do the work, wherein you need to have an original thought, you need to know what you're after, and you need to know how to utilize it. So those are two major roadblocks, right? Because we had a night school on AI. We actually had two of them, right? Where a lot of people that came in were completely lost, completely overwhelmed, but also not knowing where to start. And then that kind of gave them that clarity on start with like first principle thinking, start with like the small things, start with what you think you can actually do. First, figure out what you want to do, and then slowly start taking those steps. But I think that guided direction is what supports them the most right now, because added to the AI anxiety, there's also a layer of competition, because anyone can do anything with AI right now. You do not need a team. You can do it yourself. So, yeah, cool. Yeah, so we have residencies that we've just launched. We have the night school itself. And then there's a few other things that we're working on building right now. If you can send me a little bit more info about Flow, I'm also happy to, take a look at how exactly we might be able to integrate that to give builders or like anyone that is here. It may be our team, because there are a lot of people doing residencies within our team itself. So just to see how best we can utilize that and make sure that we are able to focus that onto the right people that will be able to utilize and like scale and grow. So that might be a good starting point. But yeah, I do really think you guys should come to the hub. Let me just actually share our website, because it has the most amount of info right now in terms of everything.
It's pretty well done and explanatory in that sense.
Yeah, so if you go through that, you'll also be able to see kind of the different elements of what we are building under, be it learning, be it connecting, be it earning or working. So I think that might also give you an idea of where exactly you may be able to integrate and, reach out to the right kind of people.
Sure.
In the meantime, whatever else I'm able to share, of course, I'll share it with you.
Absolutely.
And yeah, would really like to meet you guys again and see how we can take this forward.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, thanks, Bhumi. Thanks, Manveer.
Thanks, guys. Have a great one.
Bye.
Take
Bye.
care.
How did the meeting go?
It went very well. I think it went well. I'm still processing because there's so much info that he said, so I'm like, whoa. But that's what we're trying to also do, right? Partner and collaborate with people who are building products or building platforms that we know are going to support builders. So in that sense, obviously want to see more about what Flow does and how we can integrate that. But I do see some kind of a collaboration possible. So we'll see. But yeah, it was a good meeting. Better than what I thought it would be. And did not think it would go this way at all. But
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Musa.
What the f is
How much money did you spend on this?
No way, bro. Why talk
Maybe
9 system?
3.5 lakhs. Another 1 lakh worth of stuff is yet to come.
Sorry, how much?
A lakh more.
No, how much did you spend?
This maybe 3.5. Close to no 4.
4 lakhs?
Yeah, about.
So
for all
plus
of
one
us?
more,
Oh Lord, I needed this.
Bro, these Airtel people are calling me day and
Can
night.
you open?
Swastik.
Let's go, bro.
SSDs.
Out of character.
Give me
It's
something.
already unboxed, bro.
No.
How many mics, bro?
Oh, we needed one more.
No way.
What joy?
Batteries.
What happened?
Only got take.
We got one more mic.
Yeah, DJI.
A lens. and
Bro.
another lens.
Oh,
Chargers!
Santa Claus is coming.
wait. 1.8.
Let's go.
Wow.
Bluetooth
That's-
speaker.
That's the only thing I
Yeah.
needed.
Oh, the books also.
Okay. So many things.
Hey, don't get rid of the book.
It looks
Don't
the
worry.
same as a
That's
book.
what.
Remove that
That's
cheap
my
cloudy
copy.
from there. It is empty.
No.
That's intercom, no?
Yeah, intercom.
Thank God.
Intercom, multicom.
We need that for night.
Oh.
Middle
The
of
one and only
what
G
is it?
Master
Yeah,
in
is
the
there-
house.
Is there? Put it on
The
that.
OG master.
Replacements. Or I think that's.
No, you have
Yeah.
to put the first one.
Yeah, that's an additional phone.
So you got two of them.
We had the
Why
headphones,
for
actually.
funsies? Wait.
Good headphones.
Wait, guys,
Can you give me
guys,
one?
I'm cosplaying as Neeraj.
I will not put it on my head.
Call him. That's okay. Did you actually break it?
14 days no.
It cost 20,000, bro.
Bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah, my
Yeah,
mistake.
this brick is 130 watt.
No. Did he? Is it actually broken?
Yeah.
It's broken.
Okay, you have to tell us on. That was on video, right? It
Bro,
wasn't me.
Gone.
bro, how did it connect again?
No, it's broken, bro.
You're lying.
Why will I lie? See.
Is this a
Just to
prank or
make content,
something?
Ayush does all this.
But how will you tell it? This was
I'll tell him Ayush was doing something and it broke.
But you own this PC, right?
Show me.
Oh no. You guys are joking, right?
Why? I'm not even on that same page. Dude, all the best explaining this was on.
Ayush.
This is an imported brick.
Yeah.
Normal charger won't work.
105 watt.
Swastik?
Beat him up, break his back.
Actually, take it. Load it. Hey!
It's not even loaded.
Okay.
Keetna, can you hear me? Keetna, can you hear me? Hello? Keetna.
Habib.
One question. Does he need both of these whiteboards?
I don't know. Yes.
How do you like the space?
It's cool, right?
I hope tonight's it's going to be amazing because of Azan and our visiting faculty. Start cells. Woo!
I'm so sorry we're recording. How excited are you for Night School 8?
Very excited.
And he's going to be a part of the Builders Collective too.
Oh my god, how exciting is that?
Oh, that is super crazy. I mean, a lot of people to interact with. Yeah.
Amazing. Why are you here?
Just saw Azan's post, and I know every time you do an event, it's crazy. So I'm here.
Hello, hello. How are you doing?
Hi. Why are you so excited? My God.
I'm excited for you.
Today, a little bit.
God, that's so exciting. Oh my god. Okay.
I thought I'll show you guys right before we start. This is him today, like an hour ago, in his bed. After he came back from the hospital yesterday, getting a pacemaker installed, saying, I want to say how to sell also from my perspective. He's 93.
Wow.
Creates short supply, scarcity, and sell. Protein.
So what he's saying is create scarcity in order to sell. So while Saad will go kind of like specific into outbound and how to sell and stuff like that, for me it's more around like what to sell, how to sell, why at 93 my granddad is still trying to like sell and like, you know, he wants to be known. For me that's the fascinating part.
We will know whether we can help you succeed. So it goes from I'm 100% sure as a 20-year-old to as a 30-year-old, I don't know, dude. But I know this much, I'm not going to waste the next 6 months of your life.
I just want to give a huge shout out to the Hub team. Want one round of applause for the Hub team for putting this together. I know like we have a long way to go to get night school to be even better, but imagine 8 classes ago, we never did this thing. Like these people helped us build something out of nothing and bring it to this level. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you guys for making this possible. Thank you so much.